Hey everyone, it's Saucy the Towboat Chef. Now, I'm sure you saw my video on how to make marshmallow fluff. If not, I'll post a link to it up here on the top. I think it's over here. Over here. Anyways, because I'm going to be using it to make peanut butter fudge. So let's get started and I'll show you the ingredients. Hey everyone, sorry to interrupt the video, but I want to bring you a special message, and it has to do with Hero Soap Company. Hero Soap supports our military, our homeless veterans, and the Garrison DC Foundation. For every bar you purchase, they also send a bar overseas to our military. So what I want you to do is I want you to go to HeroSoapCompany.com, choose your favorite scent. You can also buy the t-shirts and hats. And when you go to the discount, when you go to checkout, put in the discount code BADGE. And that's in reference to badge. Everybody needs one. And hear what he has to say about it.
You're doing me a favor by buying soap, and Hero Soap Company's giving back to the soldiers. So it's a whole pay forward thing. This means a lot to me. As you know, I was in the airborne for 9 years. I believe in the soap. I've tried it. It works awesome. And that's why I'm doing it. So I'd like to thank Saucy very much and all our subs and viewers and everything. Thank you very much.
Okay, remember, everything I do, I'm doubling the recipe, okay? Because you gotta remember, I'm feeding a lot of people. I have 4 cups of sugar, 1 cup of cold milk, 1 2/3 cup of, is it 1 2/3? Blooper, it's 2 2/3 cups of peanut butter. And 2 cups of marshmallow cream. So, and let's get this together. You need a saucepan. You also need a foil lined pan. You can spray it or put butter around it. I sprayed it to pour it in. So let's get started here. I gotta set up the camera. Okay, what we did was we put the milk and the sugar in here, got it to mix in, and I turned on the heat already. And we need to get it to boil. And once it starts boiling, then you have to boil it for 3 minutes. Don't go less, and don't really want to go over, because you could easily burn the sugar. Because remember, this is just milk and sugar. And you'll notice that it'll start to get more of a milky, grainy, that the sugar is melted. But you got to continue to stir. So let's get started here. Come on. It won't take long, I hope. But I'll be right back when this starts boiling, and then set it to music. How's that sound? Be right back. Okay, it's starting to boil, so I'm setting the timer. And continue to stir. It will bite. And one thing about sugar, it sticks. When it's hot, it sticks. It's not like something you can wipe off real quick. I only had a little tiny drop on there. That's like it got me good. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. I'm pulling it off to the side. Turn this off. You want to add the peanut butter. Now you can use chunky peanut butter if you want. It's fine. I use creamy because I want this to be a creamy fudge. There's that. And you want to add your marshmallow cream. Stir it in till it all melts. You may want to put it on the heat just a little bit. This is already still hot, so it all melts. You'll see it start to turn brown like the peanut butter. It takes a little time, and be patient with it. Don't be in a rush, because like I said, you'll have it everywhere. Don't worry, it's not going to harden up right away. It's still way too hot. Oh, but this is going to look good, taste good. It's nice and creamy. See, it's starting to turn more brown with the peanut butter. Make sure all that marshmallow cream is incorporated as well. Now, remember last video I said I was making enough marshmallow cream to do the peppermint? Oh, I forgot, peppermint doesn't require marshmallow cream. That's a different recipe altogether. So you'll see that. Oh, yikes! Blooper! Have that touch that hot surface. So halfway up. That's what I'm saying. Pay attention to what you're doing here. Oh, I almost touched it. Oh yeah. There we go. All right. Let's take this camera over to where I can show you how we pour it in. Just layer it out. There we go. Normally, if you do a single batch, it's an 8x8 pan. But this is not an 8x8 pan. This is a 9x13. If you see it didn't mix well, stir it inside here. There we go. Put this in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. When it's done, I'll show you what we do then. Alright, be back in a bit. Well, there's the peanut butter fudge. And look at this. There's one little bitty piece. Guess what's that for? Here, back and I'll show you. Me. Oh my God. A big sugar blast. Oh. Ooh, that's really good. To all my new people here that's probably first watching this, you want to see more of this, trust me. Click on that little subscription button and that bell. Do that thumbs up, leave me a comment. I'll respond to you as you introduce yourself. To all my loyal subscribers that become my good friends, right now I know you're jealous of me because this is damn good. That's easy to make. I know you can do it. If you make it, I want to know it. Take a picture, email it to me. Alright people, it was fun making this video. Just stay tuned for the next one. Alright, till then, I'll see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Bye-bye.